Good day, ladies and gentlemen. It's your boy Double Grace, the Urgent 2K boy. I'm here with my boss.
I'm not boss, Vivian, Sha.
Okay, nice having you, Vivian. Vivian, I just want to play a game with you and also I want to interview you. Are you in?
Okay, I'm in.
Or like, what do you like most about yourself?
Myself, I like myself.
You just like yourself.
Yes, everything.
Okay. Can I ask you a question?
Okay.
What is the worst thing that a guy have done to you?
Worst thing a guy has done to me.
Yeah.
Hmm. Everything is the worst thing though, but the worst part of it is that uh, it's private. I cannot say it out.
Just
Don't
give us just
suffocate
a
them.
little about it. Just a
Say
little.
out though.
Don't
Say out.
suffocate them.
Yeah.
Say it out.
Okay. Do you have a boyfriend? Are you single or do you have a boyfriend?
I'm not single. Oh. I have a boyfriend. I have a fiance.
Okay, fiance. Okay, have a fiance.
I have a boyfriend. I have a boyfriend.
Okay, have a boyfriend.
Yeah.
What do you like most about your boyfriend?
But the fact that what
You
I
are a
love
bad
most, I love
boy.
everything about him though. But
You are
what
a
I love
bad boy.
most is that
You are a
he's calm.
bad boy.
He's calm. He's calm.
You
Okay,
are
he's
a
calm.
bad
Yes. If
boy.
I ask, he gives.
Okay,
Sometimes he
You
doesn't
are
even allow
a
me to ask. He
very
gives.
bad
your
boy.
boyfriend is a cheerful giver.
He's a cheerful giver to me.
Okay, only to you.
Yes.
How many ex do you have?
How many eggs do I have? I have only two.
Only two.
Sorry, I just have one. That other one was when as in,
Are you
I was
playing?
still
What
at.
type of
I don't
playing
have
is
sense
this?
though. I won't say I dated him. I was still. Should I say I was still, just so I won't say I was dating him. We're just doing what little kids do. I have one ex.
Okay. Sorry to ask you this. How many is your body count?
Body count one.
Don't
Sorry, two.
suffocate them.
One, two.
No, two. Two.
But you have three X
Let be
I
poor.
have one
Breathe.
ex.
for one X.
Yes, I have one ex.
Okay, can we
Don't
play again?
suffocate them.
Okay.
If you win this game, you have a chance of winning 2K. Are you in?
Okay.
Can you mention four countries that start with X? You have 5 seconds.
S abi
One.
X.
S.
Like
S.
shoe. S.
Yeah. One,
Switzerland.
two,
South Africa.
three,
Sweden.
4,
Is it like how many seconds left?
5 seconds. That's what happened.
Thanks for watching, guys.